Здравейте, приятели, аз съм Ванчела, започва Zoom. Сега ще ви представя Марк The Clive Lowe, който представи в The Voice of Underground. Той е тук по покана на една международна музикална академия. Hi, Mark.
Hey.
How do you feel in Bulgaria?
Really good. It's really nice to be here.
Can you tell me something about the academy, about the workshops, about all the process?
Yeah, I mean, once a year, Academy, the next one's in Paris. So we like to do these sessions and workshops around the world to, you know, help people find out about the Academy and get a little taste of what it's going to be like if they go. So, you know, the workshop here was just about that, sharing some experiences and, you know, sharing some of my background and my workflow and creativity flow as a musician.
You make a lot of stuff, you're DJ, you're producer, you make your own songs, you also mixed. How you can be on so different levels in music?
I mean, it's all the same thing to me.
It's all the same?
Yeah, it's like, you know, some people speak 5 languages and they're just like, oh, it's just words. You know, so for me, it's all part of the same story. And whether I'm sitting at a grand piano, playing piano, or DJing, or making beats, it's all part of the process.
You work on your last album. Can you tell me more about it? Did we can find any collaboration with artists? With which artists? Can you tell me more about the album?
Yeah, well, the new album was called Church, and Church is it's a club night that I do in LA and New York. I've been doing it for 3 years. So the album is basically the result of the club night, and the club night has been about bringing together jazz and club music, acoustic and electronic music, and you know, those are 2 of my biggest passions. So to bring those together in one concept has been very cool. There's a lot of amazing musicians on there, and it's mostly instrumental, a few guest vocalists, an MC named John Robinson from New York, a great singer-songwriter from LA named Nia Andrews, and Miguel Atwood Ferguson, who's an amazing string arranger and composer. He guests on there as well. But yeah, it's just a lot of my favorite musicians and people who are my musical family in both LA and New York.
You travel a lot, all around the world. Do you notice any difference between the audience in the different countries?
Yeah, everywhere is different. Everywhere is different, and I love that. And it's, you know, sometimes it's. We were just actually talking about this at dinner tonight, where, say, in Japan, people are culturally a little more reserved. So even if they're having an amazing time, they're not quite as open. So it just feels different. But then somewhere like, you know, Johannesburg in South Africa or in Berlin, people just go nuts. So I love that. It's always different, and I don't like different places more or less. I just really enjoy having those different kinds of experiences.